What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we've made our way down to hyper fast cars. We're going to be playing with some pretty insane Raptors for today. These guys also specialize in some pretty insane McLaren builds, but I believe we have a V8 swap Generation 2 Raptor with a supercharger on it, and then a few other things. So we're now on to shop number one. This Raptor right here has a 5-liter Coyote motor with a Whipple supercharger on it. I believe we're going to be getting on the dyno a little bit later today, but already we have these massive fenders. They're like over a foot wide. Well, that is definitely pretty sweet to see some of these things with these engine swaps. They definitely pump out some insane power. So right now, before we can get this truck up and running, they're working on building a custom bracket for part of the intercooler of this. Obviously, this is a motor swapped into a truck that didn't have this original engine in it. So to do the intercooler and everything, they need to make a custom bracket, and we're gonna get that mounted all set up in the bumper. I'm glad I had that recording. I'm pretty sure this is straight pipe with the V8. So now we're just pulling up some coolant just to get it pumping through everything. That is an insane sounding truck. We'll just get a quick little idle of it. Full Cook's exhaust. I'm assuming those are the only bit of mufflers right there. Everything else right from the headers. I'm excited to hear this thing out on the road and on the dyno. That is going to be really sweet. Well, it looks like the truck is about all done. Everything's all squared away with it. And then we're going to get the bumper on when we're back to hyper fast, and then hit the dyno with this thing. Well, that is pretty fun. So this has like, what, maybe 600-700 of the wheels, something like that?
We're going to find out right now.
Yeah?
Yep.
Sweet. It definitely, well, it's raining out right now, so it's a little slippery, but...
There's no problem spinning those 37s.
Yeah. So at Hyperfast Cars, they're working on just cleaning up the Raptor. We have a brand new Raptor sitting over there. The one inside that has some really nice parts sitting next to it. Go ahead and hop one inside. Well, this one all cleaned up and detailed. This one has quite a lot of nice mods on it, a really nice paint color. But we just have a few of their parts laid out. 2 turbos. Now I believe this one is still the EcoBoost, so this is running like tuned up and stuff like that. The one outside has the full supercharger kit and engine swap, but a lot of really nice parts sitting out here. I love what they have on the back of this truck. We got 2 separate wheels back here, all set up to have extras. Definitely an amazing truck to take out doing some Baja runs and stuff like that. And then of course we got some McLarens over there. And then here's the bumper that was not on. They basically had to make that custom bracket, that way this could fit with the winch on it. But we're gonna get that going. Looks like they're getting the fender flares on, and then we're gonna hit the dyno with this truck. Bumper all back on the Raptor. We're gonna get up on the dyno, which is right over there. It'll be interesting to see what this thing makes. It should be like 600 something. But it is such a massive truck sitting in here. Sitting next to this one. Comment down below what you guys think of the Ford Raptor. I would say it's probably the coolest pickup truck. It just has so much to offer, especially the way this one's set up. This bumper looks really good on it. Of course, the stock housings for the headlights. but that is just a massive, massive truck. Front fenders are like a foot wider than stock. It is definitely a menacing truck to see. So they got the truck all set up on the dyno, as you can see. We're about to do some runs and see what this thing makes. 5-liter V8 Supercharged out of the Raptor. Let's hit it. Like a NASCAR car. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're gonna see what kind of power that thing was pumping out. I think we were in the 5, not too sure. Holy crap, wow. So we got 582 wheel horsepower and then 505 max torque. Wheel horsepower. All right, 659 wheel horsepower. They put a second tune on it now. That is pumping out some massive, massive power. Oh my goodness. And the sound of it sounds so insane. Wow. So they're swapping the rear wheels to the stock ones just to see what kind of power it'll put out with the stock wheels. Real quick, here is the F-150 where this engine came out of. It's a 5-liter V8 that came out of this truck right here with the 10-speed automatic right from it. And then they put on the Whipple supercharger and have been tuning from there. So stock motor just with the supercharger on it. But yeah, here is the donor car. Pretty much just a shell of a truck right now. Obviously we got no engine up in this truck, but kind of crazy to see. They took a perfectly good EcoBoost out of the Raptor and put in this one from an XLT. On the money, 700 wheel horsepower from this Raptor. Wow. We need a half a horsepower more. Half a horsepower. Well, there we go. We have 703 wheel horsepower right there. That is one powerful Raptor. Alright, so we're getting everything ready. I got my drone, another drone, GoPro, my GoPro's on that side, all the cameras. So let's go ahead, hit record. Drone is recording, everything is recording. We're gonna get a really sick shot of a 700 wheel horsepower Raptor demolishing some tires. Well, there you go. What do you guys think of a 700 wheel horsepower supercharged V8 Raptor burnout? Look at the carnage. These massive, massive burnout marks all on the ground. So many drones, so many angles to film everything. Look at this. And then even taking a look at the building. Yeah, that is just a little bit of the carnage from a really, really powerful burnout. Just a quick look. That is nuts. All right, so we're just moving all of our camera equipment now. Got the Raptor sitting back there, ready to do some carnage in the dirt.
There's a really good puddle down there.
So many cameras set up.
Is that where you're going?
So many people, all sorts of stuff. Look how menacing that truck looks. Not a bad camera crew truck, I guess we'd call it. Wow. Alright guys, I think that is about going to wrap up today's video. My camera battery is about dead. What do you guys think of checking out a 700 wheel horsepower Raptor out in the mud having some fun? This thing has a combination of tire on it and mud all over it. But check out this truck. It is pretty awesome to see this thing in action. Here's just another good look at it. Some articulation going out on some bumps. Completely just covered in mud everywhere. And just getting up to the front. Look how menacing that truck is. That is such a beast. So as my camera battery flashes because it is completely dead, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Once again, shout out to Hyperfast Cars and Hyper Off-Road for inviting me out here to take a look at this truck. They built a complete monster. Definitely check out all their information in the description below. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next video.